A group of young monsters gather in the forest, the place they like to call home. They love to play together every single day. This afternoon, something very exciting is going to happen.
Instead of playing hide and seek today, I think we should explore.
Oh, like a treasure hunt?
Well, my uncle told me we don't live that far from a city. A real city with buildings, cars, and all sorts of other things we have seen in movies.
Sigor, we all want to see a city one day, but we all know we aren't allowed to.
My mom says I'm never allowed to go past the tree line. She says it isn't safe outside of the forest.
Walla Walla, are you coming with me or staying with these guys?
Walla Walla!
Let's go. See you later, alligators.
Wait, you guys really shouldn't go.
Sigor, aren't you afraid they could catch you? We have all heard those terrible stories.
We are just going to get close enough so we can see, that's it. No one will see us.
He's right. No one will see us or know that we even left.
Spiky, let's just go home. Come on, Walla Walla, if you know what's good for you, you'll come with us.
Michelle? I don't know where we are right now.
Just come with us. We'll make sure everyone gets home safe. Plus, we're almost there.
I see it! I see the city!
Walla Walla!
I know, buddy. It's a beauty.
Wow.
I can't really see it.
If we climb up this tree, we will be able to see better.
Oh, Spiky, did you see that yellow car?
Well, at least I saw something that looks like me.
He's right.
Well, I think more things should have spots on them.
Oh, I heard cows have spots.
Logos, the cow!
Quick, guys, try to camouflage.
Hey, are you guys okay?
Walla Walla!
I was just in my dad's store and saw you guys fall. Does he have a concussion? Oh no, that's just Walla Walla.
Come on, we should go.
My mom is a doctor. She could make sure he's okay.
Why would you help us?
Maybe he isn't human. Maybe he's a monster like us.
I'm not a monster, but my mom sometimes says I eat like a wild animal.
You're a wild animal?
No, Spiky, she just means he's acting that way.
Well, you seem very nice, but we really should be going.
You really aren't what I imagined.
Just 'cause he didn't hurt us yet, doesn't mean he won't.
Why would you say that? I wouldn't hurt anyone. I wouldn't even hurt a fly. Our parents have told us stories from when they were young. They lived here in the city and some of their friends were hurt. Eventually, everyone in the city chased them out. We've always been told to never come here. That's terrible. I'm so sorry.
Sometimes things that we don't understand makes us nervous.
Oh yeah, math makes me nervous.
I guess I meant maybe people are afraid of us because we are different from them.
I'm Blogos. This is Spiky, Sigor, Michelle, and that's Walla Walla.
I'm Sam. It's nice to meet you guys. We should be going. Our parents will start to worry. Well, maybe tomorrow I could come play with you guys in the forest? I don't actually have any friends. We just moved here.
Yeah. We need another player for soccer. You play?
I love soccer.
We'll meet you right on the edge of the forest tomorrow.
Hug. I'm sorry you haven't made any friends yet. Moving is hard.
Now he's got us.
Bye, Sam. See you tomorrow.
I hope we play together tomorrow, but we should all ask our parents.
Bye.
Bye, guys. If you'd like to make a donation to support the content that we create or be in the loop for upcoming opportunities to be a part of our program in another way, visit symtp.org for more information. Thanks for watching.